Mia, what is the very first thing you do every single morning?
Honestly, I turn off my alarm, roll over, and check my phone for 10 minutes. What about you?
Oh no, I drink a big glass of water before I even touch my phone. But you know what's interesting? Almost everyone in the world has a morning routine, but so many English learners freeze up when trying to describe it.
That's so true. They know words like bed or coffee, but connecting them into smooth, natural sentences feels tricky.
Well, today we're changing that. By the end of this 15-minute lesson, you will be able to describe your entire day step by step and ask other people about theirs with complete confidence.
Welcome to Level 1, Episode 2 of the English Ladder. Let's climb.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Ladder here on English Loom. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. First of all, a huge thank you to everyone who watched Episode 1 and dropped their introductions in the comments section. We've been reading them, and your English is already off to a fantastic start.
If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now. The English Ladder is designed to take you step by step from beginner to fluent.
Today's lesson is all about daily routines and asking simple questions. We have vocabulary, grammar tips, native phrasing, interactive pronunciation practice, and our word tour.
Let's break down a complete daily routine from the moment you open your eyes to the moment you go to sleep.
We'll start with the morning. Mia, what are the core action verbs here?
First is wake up. This means your eyes open and you stop sleeping. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. Next is get up. This is physically getting out of bed. Vocabulary note, wake up and get up are different. You might wake up at 7 but not get up until 7:15 because you're lying in bed.
Guilty as charged. Next, we have brush my teeth, wash my face, and have breakfast. Notice we say have breakfast or eat breakfast, but have breakfast sounds much more natural. Then, get dressed, which means putting on your clothes for the day.
Now, let's move to afternoon and work. We say go to work, go to school, or head to the office. Then start work at 9 a.m., have lunch at 1 p.m., and finish work or get off work at 5 p.m.
And finally, evening and night. We say go back home or get home around 6 p.m., cook dinner or make dinner, relax or unwind to take it easy after a long day, and finally, go to bed or go to sleep.
See how straightforward that is? With just 10 key verbs, you can explain your entire 24-hour cycle.
Now, let's turn those words into real sentences. When we talk about routines, we use the simple present tense.
Don't let the word grammar scare you. Simple present just means talking about things you do regularly.
For I, you, we, and they, the verb stays simple. For example, I eat breakfast at 8, or they watch TV in the evening.
But when you talk about he, she, or a person's name, add an S or ES to the verb. For example, Leo wakes up at 7, or she watches videos on YouTube.
Now, let's talk about asking questions. If you want to ask someone about their daily routine, use do or does.
Use do you for the person in front of you. For example, do you drink coffee in the morning? Or what time do you go to bed?
And use does he or does she when asking about someone else. For example, does your friend work out every day?
Let me ask you, Leo, do you have a busy daily routine on weekdays?
Pretty busy. I usually wake up at 7 a.m., take a quick shower, and have a cup of black coffee.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
No, I rarely eat breakfast at home. I usually grab a sandwich on my way to work. What time do you start your day?
I get up early around 6 a.m. I like to exercise for 30 minutes, wash my face, and eat oatmeal. Then I start working by 8:30 a.m.
What do you usually do to relax after work?
I cook a simple dinner, listen to music, and go for an evening walk. I try to go to bed by 10:30 p.m.
Sounds like a super healthy routine, Mia. Now it's time for our favorite section, Say It Better.
Here are 3 common daily routine mistakes we hear learners make all the time. First, learners often say, I am go to work at 9 a.m. You don't need am with action verbs. Say it better, I go to work at 9 a.m.
Second mistake, in the morning I make gym. In English, we don't make gym. Say it better, in the morning I go to the gym, or I work out in the morning.
Third mistake, I sleep at 11 p.m. Saying I sleep at 11 sounds like you are already asleep at that exact moment. Say it better, I go to bed at 11 p.m. or I go to sleep at 11 p.m.
Let's pause and do our word tour recap of today's key vocabulary.
Our first word is routine. A routine is a regular, fixed way of doing things. For example, having a morning routine helps me stay focused.
Our second word is usually. That means under normal conditions or most of the time. For example, I usually have tea, but today I drank coffee.
Our third phrase is workout. This means to do physical exercise to stay healthy and strong. For example, he likes to work out before going to work.
Our fourth word is unwind. That means to relax after a period of work or tension. For example, watching a good film is my favorite way to unwind.
Now it's time for your interactive homework assignment. In the comments section below, answer this question using full sentences. What is your favorite part of your daily routine, and what time do you usually do it?
For example, my favorite part of my daily routine is drinking coffee at 8 a.m., or I love reading books at 9 p.m. to unwind.
Write your answers below. Leo and I will be reading your comments and giving feedback.
In episode 3, we're taking the next step on the English ladder, talking about family, friends, and describing people.
Make sure you're subscribed, turn on notifications, and share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Keep practicing out loud, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.